you out to a place so far away. Now all those crazy thoughts are going through